Hello everyone, I am Harishwaryas from Bangalore, India. This is my CS50P Python project, currency converter command line interface application. So it is a simple command line application that allows user to convert between international currencies using live exchange rate. So let's go deeper. So this is the complete overview of my project. As I have explained, it is a lightweight command line interface application that allows user to convert currencies real time using live exchange rates, designed for simplicity, speed and its accuracy. So the features of this project are: it converts between 50 plus currencies, and it fetches real time exchange rates, and it also records the changing current rates, and it works entirely in the command line. So I have also attached the example output. As you can see here, python converter.py USD to EUR 100. So here we have converted 100 US dollar to European currency, that is 100 US dollar is equal to 92.38 European currency. So let's get deeper into the project. So this is my project code. So this is import. First of all, I have imported request system and CSV file. So this is my API. I have used Frankfurter API, and I have used the main function. This is the main function of my project, and I have used another sub function called convert currency, which is used to convert from one currency to the another. And I have also used log conversion, and finally the history, which records the conversions made by the users. So let's test it. Python. So it gives the welcome to the currency converter command line interface application, that is Frankfurter edition. So we have to enter which from which currency we have to exchange to the another. So let us take IN or Indian currency first, and to let's convert it to the US dollar. So amount, let's take it as 100. So 100 INR, that is 100 rupees, is equal to 1.17 US dollar. So it will give the exact the timing or exact the results. So this is my code, and this is my whole project of Python, that is currency converter command line interface application. Thank you guys.